Whether B2B or B2C business, everybody needs help at some point. Dynamics 365 Remote Assist offers the perfect solution in this regard, because even the best employees require help from people who aren't present currently, because employees are now able to communicate with experts directly. It doesn't matter where or when. To do so, you'll need a HoloLens or simply your mobile device or tablet. The person in need of assistance can share his or her view in just a short time, exchange knowledge, and solve the problem together step by step, and in real time. Information about the call, such as duration, the people involved, transcripts, pictures, and much more are saved on Microsoft Dynamics 365 directly. This is a new and revolutionary approach, which offers huge potential for new business models. Because Dynamic 365 Remote Assist provides you with the right information at the right time and in the right place, you can share expert knowledge in real time, save time and money, and view entirely different locations without being on site. The most important thing, everything can be integrated seamlessly into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 service solution and Microsoft Teams as a mixed reality communication platform. 3 Microsoft products that your employees trust.